StraightAwayDragon.com. As you can see, when we connect this little clip here, they go up. So that's coming in from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 fill water. But like I said, when I take that off, put it on, it goes up a little. So there's still hope. It is called still water and homemade funnel. Let me go find it. Okay, so we're down to 10.7 now. 10.8. 25 watts on the Jackery, like 2 amps coming in. Seriously. 82 degrees. I mean, it is what it is. So far, so good. When I separate, it actually goes down. And when I disconnect this, it actually goes up. That would be because the cooler. And that's going down to 9 volts when I took away the lithium ion. So we're just gonna switch that back together. Boop. And then that changes that. Yep, 2.1. And now the meter goes back up a little. And now we're back to 10.7. Not bad. Going back up. I'm really concerned with that 28 watts input. It's kind of cloudy. And quite frankly, 35 degrees not. Well, there's your problem. There's no sun. And the windmill is stuck for now, so we'll just leave that alone. We still got this over there. Oh, it says 13.0 now. Cool. And Mr. Van, we have the other attachment here for you. So that's our next project. But Eric.